Can you believe that milk challenge we did, man? That was crazy.
And disgusting.
Oh, never again will I be doing that.
But it was kind of fun.
Yeah, well. Oh, hey there. What's up, y'all? I didn't see you. This is Ashley here with Tiffany. Welcome to Video Vlogs Day 11. I'll be your speaker of this video. Let's go. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Video Vlogs Day 11. Let's get started. This first topic we'll be talking to you guys about is I'm going to be showing you guys a quick clip of me doing what I did today. Let's take a look at what happened. Let's look. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm here in Burger King. I just ordered something. These are so good, man. Like, you should try these. Don't forget ranch. Excellent. I love it. So I'm not here by myself. I'm here with my friend. She's actually over here, but she don't want to be seen. So we're just gonna, do a couple of vlogging while we walk and talk and all that. It's hot today too, man. Very hot. Everybody, what's up? I'm outside here. It's hot. Tiffany, me and her just walking in her neighborhood. We're about to go to, oh look, there's a train. We're about to go to Parenthood clinic, because we care about our health and all that, and it's good to get checked out once in a while. But take a look. I'm about to turn the camera around. Look at the train.
We should have called the train.
Look at that train. Look, two of them left and right. Alright, looks like it's gone, so now we're free.
Press the button.
Alright, so we're about to cross. Where you going? Alright, so we're still walking. It's hot. It's crazy how I ran to two people I knew from high school. Two people from high school, man. Like, that's crazy. You haven't seen them in years, and you're like, how you been? I thought you was pregnant and all that. So, we're crossing. It's hot out here. We gotta walk over these tracks. If I had $1 for that, I'd be rich. Yes. Alright, so we're just gonna keep walking. I'm gonna turn the camera off for a few seconds because I see the police up here and I don't want to get caught doing nothing bad. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed those clips of me doing what I did today. Alright, now this next topic is, it's very cute, you're gonna laugh. A dog licking my leg.
It's funny.
It's very adorable, you're gonna want one. Take a look. So this dog is just licking my leg. Look at Chloe. Chloe, you over here licking my leg, you little rascal. She loves licking. You finished? You're not done yet. Keep doing that. Go on now, finish it. I guess you finished. Alright guys, so we want to show you guys a crazy challenge that we did. We got requested by T Poppy. So T Poppy, if you're watching this, I hope you enjoyed this challenge. Because we was in crazy pain when we did it. So here we go, you guys. The milk challenge. Take a look. Try not to puke. We're doing it for you because we love you all. The milk challenge. So here we go, y'all. Watch and learn.
So hopefully we don't die. Ready?
Alright,
and I'm lactose intolerant. This is not good.
Let's just go. Alright, ready, set, go.
I can't do it.
Alright, we're ready. We're gonna try not to laugh. Ready?
My hand is shaking.
Alright, ready, set, and go. on my shirt.
Ugh. I remember how disgusting this milk is.
Okay then.
Oh my goodness, this is so disgusting.
This is horrible. I only drank this much. If you can see it. That's how much I got already. Keep going. It's about to be a mess here.
Chloe, you okay? Did you do that on purpose?
No, I really had to do that, man.
Look
Okay.
how much I drunk. What I got?
We gotta do it for y'all. We love y'all. We're gonna do this for you. We love you, right? Don't we love you?
Yeah, I love y'all.
We both do. We did that smoothie challenge. We can do this.
The smoothie challenge was better.
Yeah, and it had gross ingredients in it.
Man, that was a weak ass burp. Please do not spit. If you gotta spit, go over there because the wind ain't. Just feel like. Yeah, don't spit like out there because it will come back in my face. Cardi, get back in the house. Come here, Cardi. Boy, do you see him?
Alright, keep going. Don't worry about all that. We'll see that later. We about to be sick, y'all.
You about to be sick. You the one that's already throwing up. I drank this much. And I'm the one that's lactose intolerant. Nothing's not happening to me. I don't get it. That's weird. That's it.
That was close. It's like if you drink a lot of it, it's gonna come right back up, man.
Didn't I tell you to go to the house?
Alright, take two, everybody. Here we go. Ready? Go.
I think I got a vomit. Ew!
That's what happens when you drink a lot. Man, I freaking puked. Alright, everybody. Part two again. Now, here we go. Alright. What?
I'm right here.
And here's how much I drank. So, looks like I'm winning. Alright, we're
No,
gonna
I
keep
took
this.
a little bit more than you. Look at this.
I would say it's even. Let's just even it. Alright, let's keep this up, y'all. Cheers. Milk cheers.
Yeah,
Here we go, yeah.
Cheers, Happy New Year, whatever.
It's not nookie.
Whatever.
Alright, here we go. Hopefully we don't make no
Ew.
mess.
You better not throw up.
I'll say throw up. I'll say puke.
Well,
You
don't
say
puke,
vomit.
vomit, throw
You
up.
say vomit. I say puke.
I say all three of them. Yeah,
I say hurl too.
yeah, don't.
Alright, here we go. And we both got shorts on because it's, you know, we didn't want to mess up our pants. But here we go.
The things we do for YouTube.
Yeah, the things I do for love as well.
Oh, this is hurting my stomach. Oh, my stomach hurt. Oh, God. Please don't. Oh, God. Pause.
Quick animation. Ah!
Part 3.
We're back.
For another part. Part number 3, yeah. we go. We're almost there, everybody. We're gonna do this. All right, here we go.
Why are you so loud?
Here we go now. We're halfway there.
I gotta throw up.
We're almost there.
Alright, we got all this liquor in my My bottle off, bitch. I think you said we doing that shit.
No, what, man?
Oh my god.
That's what's happening for drinks.
This,
A lot.
this milk challenge ain't no joke. Break. Okay.
Better mission. Ugh.
God. Oh my god, look at my stomach.
I'm not gonna be so good.
Like the smoothie challenge.
Yes.
We did that one, it's not feeling good. I feel like if I can squeeze out milk. Don't make me laugh. Girl. Oh my god. Okay. This milk is giving me gas. I gotta burp.
Dog food. Ew. That's gonna make me really cute.
I told you to watch it, you stat. Oh my god, Lisa's drying up.
Oh, God. I don't know what to think about that.
Alright, you know what? Look.
In order for me to
Look.
cute,
I made it me. Yeah, that was me that burnt.
let's give it a few minutes to get ourselves together.
That was a good ass birthday.
You know, I can't puke. I almost have to put something gross.
Cotton candy and pickles. That's gross.
Sometimes I think, oh God, I'm not thinking about how much my grandma had all that diarrhea.
Oh god, don't do that. Or if you really want to throw up, just put your fingers in your mouth. All the way back in, it would just go like that. You know it's recorded, right?
Yes. Alright, here we go.
No, I'm not. You know what? We'll do something.
Alright, here we go. We're trying our hardest to do this challenge, man. Bad news.
Oh my god.
But,
Get out your way. Oh god, that's nasty. Okay, so I'm making
they wanted to show the puking, alright?
Okay.
That's a little bit of puke that came out.
I don't think I can feel right, but let's do it. Really?
Come on.
I give y'all gas. That's the they get gas. They get no people. Ooh, that was a good one. God, I'm gassy. I don't care if it ain't lady. Like, oh well. Oh. Seriously?
Okay, I'm ready. I puked twice already.
I puked like 4 times. Two times off camera. Don't kill his zipper. I'm on my pier. You say you was big. Oh my God, my back. Regular glass, get the pussy up. Why don't you get you a new hat, tramp? Oh. If I knew where we get that punk ass chick, I got a hat for you. Come on, let me put it on your head, motherfucker. On. We come like a trick.
They can hear it. Let them hear it.
Yo, two old people are going at it. You hear them? I know y'all hear them.
Yeah, man, it's crazy.
Yeah. No. I'm not ready. It feels like it's about to come out my nose.
We be doing the craziest stuff on YouTube. Yeah. We just do it for y'all.
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make up. I'm gonna make up for the chicken challenge. Told me the chicken is just
The chicken is already.
we can do that.
That'd be funny.
Or the salad challenge.
That'd be good. Too, man. Oh, we never really do that soda challenge. Yeah. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Alright. We got almost the same. She got less. Let's go. Here we go. And go. 3, 2, 1,
Oh God, I'm smelling the milk. Oh God, the milk smell just. I can't. I think I. Oh! I think I'm about to sleep. Especially if you got acid reflux.
or lactose intolerant.
Yeah, and I'm both.
And I'm only one. The two she made.
Sure, this thing.
Man, this thing is like.
Alright, 1, 2, go.
Okay.
I knew Baba, it was just Baba everywhere. Oh my God, that was disgusting.
Oh. This is a mess all over here. We made a mess. Mostly what I made a mess.
Okay, I got gas. Oh God, I gotta take that chocolate and add it.
You are sleeping. Come on, do it. Drink a little more. Let's do it together. That's what it is. A little bit. Some more. first. It's like the smoothie challenge. It got to me the first time. It just, I was when I took the first sip. I was like,
But you kept chugging it down.
because I wanted to try it out.
Oh yeah, by the way, we're gonna put that video in the description box.
Check it out.
Yeah. Dude, my leg is shaking. My leg is shaking. Look at this. Look.
I'm worried about puking right now.
Oh my god.
That's another way to puke by coughing you up. Oh God, don't you do it on me.
No. You gotta hack it up. Oh god, that's really messed up. He just stared at us.
Oh, that was a lot more red.
He just stared. Alright, let's get to the one.
I can't really see it.
Oh god. We feel sluggish. Whatever.
Whoever came up with this stupid challenge is ready.
Oh god.
Can't do it.
Oh. My stomach hurt. My stomach hurts so much. I'm not gonna make myself puke. If I do,
Feeling horrified. That's horrible.
I just can't. I can't drink no more. I I'm not gonna drink no more. I got about like what? This much left. This much left. I'm not gonna drink no more.
Here I go. That's it. Ew!
Oh God. All right here.
I feel like I could puke if I go on a roller coaster or something after I eat Big Bell.
Everybody do that. I puked on a climber.
Yeah, it works. It works if you jump up and down.
I ain't go. Oh God, no. You do that.
Play that music.
I don't feel good.
What's up, y'all? Hope you guys enjoyed that crazy challenge that I did for my video, man. Yeah, but that was a crazy mess right there. But, man, we did have a good time, though. Alright, so I want to thank you guys for tuning in for Video Vlogs Day 11. I'll see you guys next week for Video Vlog Day 12. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to her channel and all that. We love you very much. Adios.